hear that? It may be tiny, but it can spread a deadly disease like malaria too. So let's check out its causes, prevention, and how does it affect you.
Malaria Day. World Malaria Day is an international observance day celebrated every year on 25th April. It recognizes the global efforts to control malaria. Every year, almost 1 million people die because of malaria, and approximately 300 to 400 million people suffer from malaria. As of 2019, 4,09,000 people died because of malaria, and mostly among them were sub-Saharan South African young children.
Good morning all. As we all know that corona is spreading worldwide, as well as with corona, malaria is also spreading worldwide. So I'll tell you some common facts about malaria. On 20th of August 1897 in Secunderabad, Ross made his landmark discovery in which he was dissecting the stomach tissue of an Anopheles mosquito fed 4 days previously on the malaria patient, and this was how malaria was discovered for the first time. So these are some common places where Anopheles mosquitoes are found. So please stay away from these places, and if you see these places, please do some small initiatives to clean these places.
Since ages, a life-threatening disease is living with us, which is none other than malaria. By the survey of World Health Organization, we have found that in every 2 minutes, one child dies of malaria. Malaria's causes are none other than the uncovered water. This is a very harmful disease which is transmitted by mosquitoes. So to prevent it, World Health Organization has set it a day which is World Malaria Day, which is celebrated on 25th of April all over the world every year. On this day, people are aware about malaria and its causes and its prevention. So let us take a pledge that we will aware people about malaria, and we will also take some steps so that this malaria disease can go away from the world.
Let's talk about the theme of World Malaria Day 2021, that is to reach the zero malaria target. This year, WHO and partners will mark the World Malaria Day by celebrating the achievements of all the countries that are approaching and achieving malaria elimination. They'll provide inspiration for all the nations that are working to stamp out this deadly disease and improve the health and livelihoods of their populations.
The world is ready to eliminate malaria by highlighting success of countries in malaria fight. These countries are USA, Canada, Argentina, Sri Lanka, and many more. By inspiring a new group of countries which have the potential to eliminate malaria by 2025, India is one of them. By demonstrating that zero malaria is within the reach of all countries.
Veer, I had kept these peeled apples along with other fruits for you to eat, but you haven't eaten them till now. So now keep your laptop aside for a while and have these.
Sorry Raj, I don't want to eat these fruits right now. But if you have peeled these apples, why haven't you covered them?
But what is the need to cover these apples? You were anyway going to consume them only.
Look Raj, I've come across a fact that malaria is spreading at a very high speed across the globe at this time.
Oh, I didn't know about this. Can you please tell me something more?
Yes, as you can see, there are so many mosquitoes around here. If a mosquito sits on this fruit and infects it, then whenever we will consume these fruits, we might get infected and it may become a threat to our survival.
Oh, now I have understood that you have taught me a very valuable and wonderful lesson. Now I will make sure that I do not commit this mistake in the future, and I will keep it in mind to cover food items whenever I keep them somewhere.
Yes, so we all have to make sure that we do not leave any food item uncovered.
Look at the condition of the city. This stagnant water is the breeding ground for mosquitoes. They breed in this kind of dirty and uncovered water. So malaria is caused by parasites. These parasites spread to people through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. These mosquitoes are also called malaria vectors.
Stop, Krive. What happened, Didi? Firstly cover this bin and then go. You should not keep the bins uncovered.
Why, Didi? Let it be.
As you saw, my brother didn't cover the dustbin, but you should not do so. Now you must be wondering that why I'm asking you to cover these bins. Because if we don't cover the bins, mosquitoes will start roaming near them and they can be very dangerous for us as they can spread malaria and many other deadly diseases. The cases of malaria are increasing day by day, so we should be careful and take all the precautions to stop it and make a malaria-free society.
Symptoms of malaria are a sensation of cold with shivering, fever, headache, vomiting, and sweat, and followed by a return to its normal temperature with tiredness.
4 preventive measures for malaria. You know what? That most of the mosquitoes comes at the evening time, so you should close your windows at the evening to prevent the entry of mosquitoes. And second, we should cover our skins in the areas where there are mosquitoes in abundance. And third, removing the standing water will prevent the spreading of malaria. And fourth, spray pyrethrin or other similar insecticide in your bedroom before going to bed.
To protect myself from malaria, I use this mosquito repellent. You can use it too to keep yourself safe, and it doesn't even harm your skin. Look.
The most common way to escape from malaria is to use anti-mosquito chemicals in your house daily. For example, I have this that kills dengue and malaria. We should use these type of precautions to avoid malaria.
Strange but true that one child dies from malaria every 2 minutes. Malaria is preventable and curable, and increasing efforts are dramatically reducing the malaria burden in many places. But prevention is better than cure. Protect yourself from malaria. Thank you for your attention.
Malaria. Malaria means bad air. It is a serious and potentially fatal disease. So, prevention is the best cure. So, let us promise ourselves to keep our surroundings clean to fight against malaria. Thank you.